The last time I posted my video about my relaxer stretch update, I've been getting series of questions around the relaxer stretch and routines and many others. So today I'm going to walk you through what matters when you are stretching your relaxer and how safely to do it. All right. Yes, relaxer stretching has become very popular, but a lot of people end up with breakage, thinning ends, excessive shedding. And this is not because stretching is bad, but it's because they do it without the right support. So if you've ever wondered how long you should stretch your relaxer, or if you felt pressured to go longer even when your hair is struggling, then this video is for you. Yes. So what does stretching your relaxer really mean? It means going longer between touch-ups to avoid over-processing. Yes. And people stretch for different reasons: to reduce chemical exposure, to protect the scalp, to retain more length, and many more. Relaxer stretching is not just about waiting, longer. It is about dealing with two or taking care of two different textures at the same time. And this is where many of us run into problems. The reason behind stretching your relaxer makes a lot of sense. Relaxed hair is chemically altered. So when you stretch your relaxer, it gives your hair time to regain its strength. You also avoid over-processing and overlapping, which can cause breakage. So it makes a lot of sense. But how we do it is what, brings the problems. One of the biggest mistakes I have made, and I see others make, is thinking that longer is always the best. So you hear people say that, stretch for 20 weeks, stretch for 6 months. If you don't stretch long, your hair won't grow. Relaxed hair doesn't grow based on how long you stretch your hair. It is all about, dealing with two different textures, your new growth and the already relaxed hair. And that line is the, that meeting point is the weakest point. So if you don't protect it, or if you manipulate it too much, detangling roughly, you are not able to adjust between moisture and protein. That is where it starts to break. Okay, so you see people stretch for longer periods, yet they remain at the same length. So someone will ask, how long should I stretch? From what I've learned and my experience, there is no perfect number. Okay, stretch for 6 months, stretch for 1 year. No. Some people do very well from 8 to 10 weeks. Some do well from 12 to 16 weeks. Some even go longer with the right care. But I think the question shouldn't be, how long should I stretch? The question should be, how well is my hair responding? Yes. And when you decide to stretch your relaxer, what should you do? I think you should prioritize your scalp. Regular washing. When the scalp is clean, moisture penetrates easily. Build-ups do not weaken your strands. Detangling becomes easier. So I recommend that you wash your hair every week or 7 to 10 days at least. And during this wash, make sure you are using moisturizing shampoos most of the time. You clarify when needed. And this takes me to my second point: increase moisture. The new growth that is coming is drier and harder. You understand? So that is where it becomes a struggle. Some people end up relaxing their hair every month, and I don't blame them. The hair that is coming, assuming you had 4C type of hair before you relaxed your hair, anytime there's new growth, that is the type of hair that will come. So imagine dealing with this soft hair and your fourth. Alright, so increase moisture. Moisture will soften your new growth. It improves elasticity and it makes detangling easier. Now, you would have to also take care or be gentle with your line of demarcation. That is the breaking point. So, anytime you start detangling, you have to be very gentle. And you have to detangle in sections. You have to go in with your hands first and then a wide tooth comb. At this point, you don't have to do too much when it comes to styling. You have to be very simple. Low manipulation styles will help you. You don't have to be too forceful when you are dealing with your hair at this point. So if not, your hair will start breaking and you will not even notice it. So if you have stretched your hair to this point, maybe 6 months, and you have this length here, it comes off little by little and you would think, oh, this is nothing. When you relax the hair, you realize it is still at the same point. Yes. And I would also recommend the use of heat intentionally. It will help you, smoothing your hair cuticle. It will also help with detangling, right? So if you are intentional and you use control heat from low to moderate with your heat protectant, then you don't have a problem. Heat will assist with your stretch. Sometimes your new growth become too puffy that when you blow dry on, it loosens it up a little bit. Yes. So that is it if you intend to stretch. Signs the stretching is working for you. Your hair still feels strong. Your end remains full. You detangle easily. These signs are more important than the number of weeks. If you see these signs and you are, let's say, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, it means that, oh, you can go on. At what point should you stop stretching? Constant dryness. No matter what you do, you are deep conditioning, you are moisturizing and sealing, you are using moisturizing shampoos and everything, your hair still feels dry. Your hair feels weak, excessive breakage. Your ends are thinning. This is a call to action. It is a sign for you to relax the hair. There is no price for the longest stretch. The goal is healthy hair, not a bragging right. Nobody's going to be paid for stretching for the longest period. Yes. So this is very simple. If this video was helpful, then of course, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.